Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since the last video. I'm sorry about that. My university just got all my hands occupied, and I also start myself a little investment journey as well in the market. So I just left the YouTube. So it's been like completely like it's been like a half a year now that I didn't upload any videos. So yesterday I thought that, hey, why I'm not making a video about how I trade as well, and that's why I'm here making a channel, a new series about trading. So like everyone, including my friends, are thinking that, hey, stock markets is unpredictable, you cannot make profits out of it. I mean, stock market is predictable, especially in the long term, in the larger scale. The market is definitely predictable by using the indicator, the technical analysis, and then the Elliott wave theory, which is what we're going to talk about today. So what exactly is the Elliott wave theory? So the Elliott wave theory is the principle that help you predict the market and then take profits out of the stock market. So how do we predict the market? So first of all, you have to realize and acknowledge that stock markets are moving in the wave pattern. I'm going to show you the picture. So as you can see, the picture here is clearly a pattern, right? It's going up, going down, it's going up, and then going down, up again. So what is the line above? The lines above is the resistance line. So the resistance line is a social constructed line that prevent any movement beyond this line. It can go beyond this line as well, but it's hard. It's the line is resisting the graph from going beyond the line. The opposite of the resistance line is the supporting line. The supporting line, however, is like the safe point. This line, the social constructed line, prevents the graph from going down beyond this line. So yeah, so there was going to be a lot of buying volumes in this particular moment, and you should definitely buy one of the stock or Bitcoin or something. It's using the same theory. Okay, so this is Dow Jones Industrial Average futures. I'm going to find a supporting line for you guys, and then find a resistance line for you guys as well. Where to find the supporting line? So supporting line, you have to find the lowest point in the graph, right? And then you drag it to the next lower point, right? Okay, just like this. Here we go. We do it. Okay, so that is how you draw a supporting line. Let's change the colors to green. So it's kind of mean like, hey, it has been reached the support line. You should buy it because it's cheap. Okay, so the next stuff, how to draw a resistance line. So resistance line is the opposite of the supporting line. So the supporting line, we find the lowest point, right? But the resistance line, we find the highest point. So where is the highest point in the graph? It's over there, right? Right, and then we drag it to the next highest point. Okay, let's change it to the red colors. So it's kind of mean like, hey, it has been reached the red line. You should stop. It's just like the traffic light. There are also a lot of the resistance line in this graph. I mean, there's a lot of the mountain, the highest point. We can do something like this also, but the red one is, I think, is more stronger because it's the previous pre-market's downfall or something. So that is how you draw a resistance line and then supporting line over there. I know it's not that so beautiful, just like the graph that I showed you in the beginning of the videos, but but yeah, this is reality. Another great example I should probably give you is the SET index. It's stands for stock exchange of Thailand. Sorry. The reason why I'm showing this because it's look very. I mean, the index looks so beautiful. You can see that it's so patterned. I mean, it's going from the bottom like wave. This is the obvious wave I'm looking for to give to you guys. We can clearly see that Thailand going to go down a little while and then go up. I mean, going down is not necessarily bad. I think it's sometimes it's very, you know, sustained to go up. Okay, let's go back to S&P 5000. So S&P 5000, yeah, it's the graph look very similar to Dow Jones Industrial Average. So it's very complex and hard to draw a graph there, but you have to like really zoom in, or you have to change the graph to 1 hour or 1 week or 1 month in order to see and spot the wave. But you can see, you know, okay, you look at the graph, right? It is obvious, right, that, okay, it's going down over here in March 2020, and it's literally rise up, it's skyrocket up to there. So I think, I'm not thinking, according to the Elliott wave, the stock market going to crash soon, right? Because yeah, in order to promote the sustained growth, it has to step down first. That's why I think the hedge fund knowing this, in fact, many hedge funds are now looking for the collapsing company to you know, to make a profit by shorts. The hedge fund all over in the United States are now betting in GameStop. I mean, GameStop, it's messed up, right? It's nobody go to GameStop during the pandemic, and also GameStop going to go through the crash, the upcoming crash, according to the Elliott wave theory. So, you know, GameStop is going to be the most screwed, you know, from the coronavirus and then from the Elliott graph pattern. You know, it's going to fall, right? Yeah, and the hedge fund is going to make the profits out of it. And you can see the graph here. I mean, we can't even observe the wave anymore. We have to like change the graph to 1 hour, or okay, the 1 hour can not even help. Going to 1 minute. All right, so 1 minute did help. 1 minute has kind of have an obvious wave. Okay, let's draw a resistance line, and then the support line. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's doing the flag thing. So the graph is now reaching the crucial point where it can be double up and also crash down. So what do you guys think? Is going to go down or going to go back up? I think it's going to go down. I mean, I think the subreddits of Wall Street Bet are, you know, having some relief. So yeah, here we go. That's it. I think you guys have an idea about what the Elliott wave theory is, and I hope that it's really helped you make a profit out of the stock market. I see you guys in the next episode. I'm going to teach you how the RSI works. It's very crucial indicator as well. It also provides percentage of winning in the stock market. I see you all. Bye bye.